Hello, friends. We are starting our Organized Self Employment Ministry 56 session. As our aim is to become self employed government servant in own work and give constitutional validity to our work, faith. And infinite population, infinite profession is there. Presently, we are moving in 120 to 130 crore Aadhaar card. So, at least 1 pice, 1 rupees or 2 rupees, whatever our educational qualification is, according to DAS, we must be regularized. And double salary system automatically. One is private sector. So, we can work in the private sector because here the work is optional. Means what work we are doing, that is being validated with the truth only terms, 6 unborn family, signature method, democratic. So let us start our session, 56th session, under the Amit Kumar Jha, Amiteshwar Jha, who has made this concept of organized self-employment ministry, who is me, with Labour Party of India, national symbol fist of the hand, in democratic truth and non-violence. From session we are doing from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 1 to 6. Now room number 1 is for Shiv Puran, the 12, as our rituals, traditions, custom is there. Before starting, we should pray. So we are doing prayer now. Room number 1, Shiv Puran, that is 12 Jyotir Mandir document in paper form, and 175 crore shadow mandir document of Shiv Shakti Mandir in the document form. Worship, Sanskrit slogan part, and Vedic puja. Then room number 2, that is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, and 12 Jyotir documents, shadow documents, and 175 crore shadow documents, which will continue till infinity. Room number 1, Shiv Shakti also, and room. Then room number 3, then worship, Sanskrit slogan, and Vedic puja. Then room number 3, Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is Law Education Puran, that is ISBN Puran. All the Hindu libraries all over India, ISBN certificate, starting from my book Truth Only Trumps. Truth Only Trumps, ISBN 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03/COL. And then 12 Sanatan Dharma Jyotir Mandir, and 12 materialistic book of Hindu, Bharat Ratna, Padam Shri, Nobel Prize, which has been won by Hindu who have lived here, and 175 crore ISBN. Worship, Sanskrit slogan, stanza part, Vedic puja. Then come to the room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Durga Sapsati Devi Bhagvat, and the 12 document, shadow documents in paper form of the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir, and 175 crore Adi Shakti Mandir document. And then the documented Pushpanjali Aarti, Sanskrit slogan and worship, and then room numbers 5 Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit, North, South, East, West, Central India Varshkrit, 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas, 4 Vedas, ISBN certificate, Pushpanjali Aarti and Sanskrit slogan Vedic Puja. And then room number 6, from where we have started the organized self-rule government, 31st August 1946, when the Clement Attlee document is coming. When the document is coming from the Britain of the Independence Act, and then interim government documents, we Hindu takeovers, and then 299 our Hindu constitutional representative and all our MPs and MLAs, and now 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs into 6, because 6 unborn family, because room number 1 to 6, because one room is for devoted politician, one room is of devoted industrialist, industrialist, one room is of devoted Hindu educationist, Hindu lawyers, Hindu scientists, Hindu editors, then one room is Hindu women, all truth and non-violence work, one room is of Hindu truth and non-violence, and one room is of the government, Hindu government. So we are now believing in the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan race and then worshipping, so that we can make the documented path, the direct Prime Minister documented path by the signature, democratic signature method, and direct Mukhyamantri office documented path, opposition leader document path, central opposition leader, and the state direct national unity documented path. And we all should become organized by the organized principle of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha. This started from 31st August 2001. I took birth on 30 April 1975, and since then I am efforting for this. And I wrote this book on 31st August 2001 and 6 unborn form on the 16th February 2002, 6 unborn family. Then worshipping it and making a organized principle, a right of pension, fundamental right, right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain caste, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry of his fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, 4 slab pension, and we should have 3 budget, annual budget 108 ministry we have from 1860, it is working very good. Railway budget 1 ministry which we have from 1860, it is also working very good, but we require one more because population is now 120 to 130 crore, and when I wrote the book at that time also population was around about 90 crore. So on that basis, right of pension, we should have organized self-employment ministry and budget, and direct ministry and direct budget connection, and at least 1 pice, 1 rupees or 2 rupees, at least we should get constitution validity per month, and self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission as we have from the finance commission, and automatically by democratic matter when we are signing 6, automatically we are coming from the 6 unborn family. Which family? The Kailash Dham family, that is Rashtrapati Bhavan Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham family, that is Rashtrapati Bhavan Vaikunth Dham, and that is Shir Sagar Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Brahma Saraswati Dham, that is Brahma Saraswati Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Law Education Rashtrapati Bhavan, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Rashtrapati Bhavan, and non-widow husband Shiva, that is family and welfare Rashtrapati Bhavan, and each united Varshkrit god and goddess, that is Truth Savior Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Government Rashtrapati Bhavan, which all Rashtrapati Bhavan is linked to one by the signature method of 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan and 26 January 1950 Governor House, all over state in democratic manner, so that we can live organized and get fiscal credit salary. And if we are thinking that we can work in the private sector, we work in the private sector, and every month when before taking salary, where we have joined from there, Zoom app or Google Meet or any type of face to face, we can have to the organized self-employed state manager and organized self-employed center manager. One is representing the state government and one is representing the central government, and the ruling political party manager and the opposition political party manager from both sides, and from the center also ruling party political manager and opposition political, so that democracy remains intact, because it is the product of democracy only. And on that method we can inform that we are working in this private sector, and this per month on the basis, and also one repo also become, because the political party will also transfer its political manager because it is privately managing, and government will also transfer the account manager of this state as well as from the center. So automatically it will be transferable job as it is government servant, and on that basis we 120 crore population will interact with each other, and per month after signature from there, from where we have signed, and from there they are signing, automatically it is confirming that we are working here. A feedback is also taken per monthly, and we will start getting 1 pice 1 rupees whatever, all political party in uniform manner, that yes, we are the sons of Kailas Dham, Vaikundham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. And if unitedly we are doing from 31st August 1946, because at that time when we entered into the horizon of self-rule, at that time if we would have started the signature method, 6 unbound race signature we would have made ourselves, and that 1 pice would have become 10,000, 20,000. But now it is of no use, because 1915 August 1947 has passed. Now it is 2021 and 56th session of Labour Party of India, with the national symbol fist of the hand, and the president of the political party Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, and organized concept is organized self-employment ministry on the democratic principle, where the document reflect our identity, what we are. So on that basis I am trying to make you understand that in organized society on the socialist pattern, we are putting in room number 1 to 6 20 crore Aadhaar card in room number 1, Rashtrapati Bhavan 1, room number Rashtrapati Bhavan 2, then Rashtrapati Bhavan 3, Rashtrapati Bhavan number 4, and Rashtrapati number 5, and round number 6, and link to the 26 January 1950 after signature, because just now we are making public opinion, so that we are mature citizen, we are voters. Now we will become self-employment government servant voter, where I have tried to put educational certificate in capital value. Educational certificate capital value is the path of becoming human capital. Human capital means, suppose we want to become engineer, doctor, any professional, so educational certificate will carry over. As we will pass 1 year first class, 1 rupees suppose capital value is there, suppose we are passing 2 class, 2 rupees, like this we will be there, and we will sit in according to our qualification in the chamber, like I have made illiterate chamber, signature known chamber, like this 5th pass, 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation chambers, post graduation chambers, and this all on this chambers, and PhD and all chambers. So we have to understand this, that these chambers are important, and on that basis we will be organized, and according to age also I have tried to set. in the organized self-employment. And for the election purpose, as at that time we all Hindu made Election Commission of India, we are making per month self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, Election Commission of India, so that the voting, because we all political party, if we are able to understand if political president is signing, so automatically is a democratic document, and uniformly we are making that 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, structured 70% and 30%, because we have to understand that one equilibrium administration is required, because on the equilibrium point, the democratic elections and the democratic proceedings is done, because on the equilibrium point we got the 15th August 1947 independence, because people were matured and they were independent and political pressure were there. Similarly, we have to understand this point. Employment is also worked on the equilibrium point. So on the national level, if we are working in 130 crore Aadhaar card, there the employment equilibrium is 30,000 per month earner. That will be strictly checked by the organized self-employment ministry and budget income tax office, because automatically it will be got, because a regular proceeding is being done, how much salary one is earning or how much profit, on that basis we can easily judge that. So on that basis we can bifurcate it, because automatically these types of things start coming. So it is very important. So I am trying to explain this, that we have to make the educational certificate in capital value, and when we will make the educational certificate in capital value, what will be happening? We will become human capital, because if we are doing PhD, suppose 10 rupees is the capital certificate value, so automatically 10 rupees we have got for the self-employment. So similarly, if we have fixed like PhD, suppose 5 rupees is the fiscal credit salary, so automatically pension, gratuity, provident fund, other thing is also allowed, and after 32 years pension is coming for that, then 46-year pension is coming, and then 58-year small amount is becoming big amount. And here below 30,000 per month earner is there, and also we have tried to made a bridge of employment, 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below for the promotion, because what is there, society is like the circular flow of circle, in that we are moving on this, and in the work we are sometimes up and sometimes down, but on the document level we are in equilibrium. So I am trying to make you understand, since the population is too much and the mental satisfaction suppose is from the 0 days, suppose we are coming on the taking birth, so on that basis automatically we are acclimatizing into Amiteshwarism and Amit Kumar Jhaism and Amiteshwar Jhaism, and from the day one we are adapted that our educational certificate capital value is this, so automatically we will try our best to achieve. Suppose any unstable situation, so at 18 years our voting right is there in India, so automatically on that basis what will happen, we will try to earn, and immediate our office is organized self-employment. And since it is a vote bank, because that is why I am putting political manager in that, opposition and ruling party. When we are understanding this, so we are developing a concept of organized democracy, where we all are self-employment government servant and everyone is free. It is not like that ki any person can open his mouth, start political party, no problem. Any person can write concept, start that, no problem. But what is the validity, the support, the background which we have to prepare, that is very important, because on that basis we are able to understand. So it is very important for us that we should recognize this, since what will happen, two salary will enter, one from the fiscal credit salary which will be as self-employment government servant, and from room number 1 to 6 we are believing in Rashtrapati Bhavan, and in the room number 5, that is each united god and goddess. All types of Hindu god and goddess are there. Surya, Chandrama, Navagrah, Dhanamati, Kuber, Dasodikpal, and any types of the new, because as the time will pass, new one will come, and rest is fixed. Like Shiv Puran, Shiv, we have 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir. Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, that is live money, we have 170 crore. Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN Puran, we have libraries, Brahma Saraswati Mandir, and infinite book we have already written all over India. Adi Shakti Jagadamba, we have 107 Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir, and then the Hindu Varshkrit, we have Varshkrit all over India, but we have not uniformly signature. And then our constitution, we have lot of gadgets of India from one constitution. So this we have to understand. When we start this, we all are having the direct opening from our room. As in politicians, we are having self-employment government job. Though we are not rich, then also dignified self-employment government job is there. Now when we are coming out, we are getting double salary in the private sector. If 1 rupees or 1 paise is being fixed on our constitutional validity on one, so automatically second, as an industry is also 1 rupees is already fixed by our father and mother, and rest we are by business we are earning. Then third, educationist or Hindu scientist or Hindu editor or Hindu lawyers, 1 rupees is already fixed by our father mother and we are trying. Then fourth, Hindu woman, 1 rupees already is fixed by our father mother, and then we are earning. Similarly, truth and non-violence also, and government also. Because before becoming government employee, we are organized self-employed government servant. Because when we are taking birth, automatically, if any emergency is there, we are here. What is there? Fixed fiscal credit salaries. Because administration will be not possible. So 70-30 proportion I have tried to put 70-30, so that the uniform system can be maintained. When we all political party will president will be signing, and as our juniors will start following, automatically it will be start. What was started on 15th August 1947 as a convention and tradition, we are following this. So whatever we will start with with this Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism in the democracy, that we are 6 unborn Hindu, and the rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Shraddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, and government Dham. And our family members are married, we all Indians are married in these families, and we are sons and daughter, grandfather, grandson, and all. Our national face is coming in the form of Shiv Purana, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Vishnu Puran, Kshir Sagar Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN Puran of Hindus, that is Hindu all libraries all over India, ISBN certificate, starting from truth only terms, ISBN certificate. Then room number 4, Adi national face is coming, Adi Shakti Jama, Durga Savi Devi Bhagavat. Then the each united Varshkrit national face is coming from the Mithila Varshkrit and all north, south, east, west Varshkrit. And then each united constitution, our constitution, that was 1946, our thought, which we tried to put idealistic constitution and gadget different types of movement we have done. So on that basis national face is coming. So what our national face is coming? Trishul vermilion mark represent Shiv Parvati and welfare. Chakra and vermilion mark representing Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha, Amita, Vilasa. Then Kamandal vermilion mark representing Brahma, Saraswati, law, education. Then Trinetra vermilion mark representing Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, Trinetra vermilion mark. Then the Hindu Varshkrit book and Varimilama, representing Hindu Varshkrit, Truth and Non-Violence, ISBN. Then the Hindu government stamp with vermilion bar, representing the government, Hindu government. So automatically 6 unbound. So we are, I am trying to put the public opinion that with signature. When we start signaturing, automatically we are surrendering this signature to the 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan and 26 January 1950 Governor House. And from there, Chief Minister and Prime Minister and opposition leader is taking and transferring us. And in lieu of that, we have uniform 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below administrative division, as well as a bridge of promotion between 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, because all 6 family will promote, demote, different types of, because the regular, as we have the employment pressure, as we have the population pressure, similarly we have the emotional pressure also, and marriages are done, daily life is there, because in daily life so many things happens. We will fight, we will become angry, we will try to take revenge, we will try to beat, we will try to do this, we will try to do that. But one thing is common, that we require employment, because how much we will sell our property, something we have to do. So what we are doing, it is okay, but in this I am trying to include the below poverty line, 30,000 per month below earner, means means below poverty line people and the middle class people who are having job, but regular income is different thing. Suppose regular income is coming, automatically we become comfortable that 1 paise or 1 rupees is coming and validity of government is there. So we compromise many things, because family is there, family atmosphere is there, then why to vendor like this? So like this, so many things starts, and then quality starts. Suppose when we are doing one thing, automatically expertization starts and automatic development starts. So in this way, Labour Party of India, for making organized self-employment ministry, is efforting, and the truth only terms can be purchased from me by dialing 6397360717, and from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. So automatically we can be able to make organized self-employment ministry on the basis of this. And organized self-employment ministry, one merit is that suppose 1 rupees or 2 rupees we are able to make public opinion, and we are able to signature and submit it, automatically what will happen, that Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism will be coming, and ministry system, that is democratic documented signature economy of 6 unborn Hindu family is coming up, and on that basis transfer is being done. And in the ministry, suppose 1 rupees we are taking, so it is a uniform system. Pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance will be set on that 1 rupees, and it will continue till when we are leaving this earth. So automatically we will become organized, and above all optional work is there, because and we are knowing, because as all political party will come, they will signature that we are 6 son and 6 father, because like this, by the signature method they will understand, because per month political managers are taking opposition leader and the ruling party political manager in the state and the center, automatically they are doing. We are connected, and 6 unborn family is also there, we will put that also, so that the family background also touches on that, because we all are living in it, in Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism, we all are living in it. So we try to make the best, how we can make it more better, and it is then possible when we are becoming preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, and the bridge we are making between 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner, because that feeling is also required. We have to understand in democracy why we have political argument, because different is difference in different types of opinion. National level we are understanding, but on regional level so many differences start, because the region wise we have plateau also, we have the plains also, and we have the mountains also. One who is developing in plain is difficult in the mountain, and one who is developing in mountain is difficult in the plateaus or plains. So the climatic condition is also different, that we have to understand. The understanding of this political understanding automatically generate the self-employment government job, because that what I am trying to explain. As our trust will be coming and we start signaturing, we start the modern system of signaturing and taking per month fiscal credit. Now here the ladder for the development is also given by the organized self-employed ministry, that is for making ourselves human capital. How? By the educational certificate. We have many types of universities, we can take admission in our adjustment, because one work we are here organized, chair is automatically our designation is being promoted. Here also promotion charge is there. If we are working day and night, automatically here also promotion is there, full job is there, because connectivity is of national and state both. And we have the document path, direct document path of the prime minister office and the chief officer, of course through the protocol. It is not like that ki we are directly calling, means understanding is required ki the signature of the parliament and the prime minister automatically, and the chief minister and the legislature automatically is giving us fiscal credit salary. And when we are signaturing 16.66 into 6, one bread is coming from the one family who is politician, one bread is coming from one family who is devotedly industrialist, one bread is coming from the one family who is devotedly educationist or lawyers or Hindu scientist or Hindu editor, one bread is coming from the Hindu women society who is devotedly working with us, and one bread is coming from the truth and non-violence, who is teaching us truth and non-violence, unity and respecting each other, believing in unity, and one bread is coming from the government, that is per day by the method attendance he is taking. And then at the time of fiscal credit salary, one meeting is being organized, and organized self-employed ministry manager and accountant, political manager, opposition and ruling party is taking the feedback, signaturing, and then fiscal credit salary. If suppose 1 rupees we are getting, but in lieu of that, one national team is made, that we all have made the document economy under the guidance of 30 April 1977, birth Amit Kumar Jha, Amiteshwar Jha, Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736071, room number 126 of Shardapur, to make we understand concept wise. And what we will getting, we are, when we are running in the double salary horizon, that is private sector, automatically we are knowing that we are specializing. So enthusiasm, a nationalism feeling starts coming, and what comes, specialization starts coming. Try to understand. And also we can build our more career, because educational certificate is given validated, and fiscal credit salary is being done, optional can be done. Look, both side is there, negative and positive side is there, but why should not we take the positive side, where 100% people are coming self-employment? Because people can have the views, what is there, the opinion can be different, but in the situation where we want a stability, because one stability we have to make in our mind, that is this, and one stability we have to perform more. For that we have made 30,000 per hour movement, because our aim can be very high, but what in reality we are, that we have to understand. That is why I have tried to make this documented, democratic 6 unbound signature economy, so that all 130 crore Aadhaar card who are in room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6, which I call Rashtrapati Bhavan number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we all are senior citizen, we all are knowing each other. So in this, when we are living in Amiteshwar Jana, we all are self-employment government job servant, and we all are promoted A to Z, that is the 1 to infinite, by our educational certificate and by our work and by our system. So automatically in that circumstances our fiscal credit salary is so we are living in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then sub Rashtrapati Bhavan also is there, because each individual is sufficient to handle everyone. So sub Rashtrapati Bhavan, like Shiv 4 generation welfare 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan linked to Kailash, Parvati, that is power 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan linked to Kailash, that is Parvati Dham. Then Vishnu, that is Ram, that is Krishna, that is Amit, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and that is life 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. And then Lakshmi, that is Sita, that is Radha, that is money 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Brahma, that is Chaturanand, that is the law 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Saraswati, that is Veena Pustak Dharani, that is education 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan linked to Saraswati Dham. Then Adi Shakti Jagdamba, that is Trinetra, that is Durga, that is Mahikdana Marni 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. And her husband non-veto Shiva 4 generation Rashtrapati, that is welfare 4 generation, non-veto welfare 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then each united Varshkrit god, that is Surya Chandrama Navaka Dharmanti Kuber Dasodrikwal Sankadimuri, and all the god Gram Devi Devta 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. And Hindu goddess, that is Surya Shri Chandrashri Navagraheshwari, means all types of goddess family 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. And government, that is Hindu government, he government 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and she Hindu government 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. So automatically 4 generation is attached, because a very senior feeling is coming, because from top to bottom everyone is in the work, and we are making a document path. Automatically a organized path is being on the documented form. So in that circumstances what will happen, we will have marriages in different family, but our national face will be automatically seen from these 6 book, and it is coordinated by the truth only terms. So automatically we cannot we can understand that we have tried to make this, so that we all get the self-employment government also and move in the organized manner, so that automatically problem can be solved. And in this way what will happen, employment is also going, and constancy is also there, and we will celebrate the with the all festival of these 6 book: Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Shivaratri, all types of Durga Puja, and all types of Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Triyodasi, all types of Puja, Varshkrit Puja. We will celebrate 16 February to 26 February and 31st August to 11th September, making 6 Murti, that is 6 image of the soil in pair form, and give Pushpanjali, Arti, Vedic mantra, and then we will try to immerse the ideal in the Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Krishna, Kaveri, and the all over India river wherever we will celebrate. Automatically we will be able to have a national feeling, because employment is also attached, and it will be renewal of the employment, because constancy life is there, self-employment government is here, one fiscal optional work is also there, and per month the different types of people are coming and going. Automatically we are getting 1 rupees or 1 pice fiscal credit salary, and we can make increase, because when we are signaturing we can improve, because self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit finance commission is there. So automatically 1 rupees can be made 100 rupees by the planning, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. So automatically improvement will be coming, because infinite population, infinite profession is there. So one piece is being taken, so that we make a strong base on the democratic level, and we can make everyone understand, generate trust and faith in Amiteshwar Jhaism, Amit Kumar Jhaism. And this is now I am concluding the 56th session of organized self-employment ministry with enthusiasm, by our custom and tradition, as you all are going to become self-employed government job servant from room number 1 to 6, calling it Rashtrapati Bhavan 1 to 6, and working automatically. After signature, we will put it in 26 or 1950 under the control of the our representative who are in parliament and Vidhan Sabha, and into 6. So room number 1, Shiv Puran, and the shadow document of Shiv Shakti Mandir, Welfare Power Mandir, and the 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir, and 175 crore shadow document of it, and Pushpanjali Arati, Sanskrit slogan, spelling, and then the worshipping with hands. Then room number 2, Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and then the Amit Puran, and this Pushpanjali Arati, Sanskrit slogan. Then the room number 3, the Brahmaswara Puran, that is ISBN Puran, that is the certificate truth only terms, ISBN 81901860, is copyright number 954/03, and all the certificate with 12 Jyotir Sanatan Dharma book and 12 materialistic book, Bharat Ratna and Patanjali and Nobel Prize Hindus who have lived here, and then 175 crore shadow ISBN certificate. Then room number 4, each united Varshkrit god and goddess. Room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagavat. Then Pushpanjali Arati and the 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow documents, and 175 crore Mandir shadow document. And then room number 5, Hindu Varshkrit with love Varshkrit, and North, South, East, West, Central India Varshkrit, and the 100 Upanishad, 4 Vedas, and 18 Puranas, and then ISBN certificate, Pushpanjali Arati and Sanskrit slogan. And room number 6, the government 31st August 1946 document, and the interim British government ordinance of this Independence Act, and then transferring that interim government 32nd and the 2nd September 1946 to 15th August 1945, and then our government document, shadow documents, and the Pushpanjali Arati. Automatically we signaturing 6 Pushpanjali Arati and Sanskrit slogan, so that we, by the Labour Party of India, fist of the hand and the uniform signature of all, by understanding constitutional validity on income work, we should be able to make organized self-employment ministry and per month fiscal credit salary, so that constitutional life 0 to 18, 18 to 58 year, with pension 18, 32, 46 year we should live, and by democratic truth, non-violence, unity, we should live with the blessing of our Father, Mother, Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. Thank you.